In this video, we are going to see switch case statements under the conditional statements. In the previous video, we have discussed about if-else conditional statements. If you don't see the if-else conditional statements, please go there and after that come here to see the switch case statements video. So without any delay, let's get started and let's move to the computer screen now. We are going to see switch case statements, that is one type of conditional statements. Let me tell you guys, in advance we have discussed the if else conditional statements in our previous video. If you not seen the if else conditional statements video, then you can definitely assure that you see this video and then you have jump in this video. Okay, so what if else conditional statements, let me explain you again with a brief example over here. So basically here in the computer screen, the VS Code, here integer age variable is there, which is assigned with a value that is 23. Means now my age value is 23. If age greater than equal to 18, then the statement under the if condition will be executed. If the condition of this if block is true, then the if block statement will be executed. Otherwise, else statement will be executed. So over here age is 23, so 23 is greater than equal to 18. So the if condition statement is true and the statement under this if block will be executed, that is you can vote. Then else will not be printed because our first statement if is over here is true. So the next whatever can be the number of statements else if or else will not be executed because the first statement is true. Okay, if there a possibility that the first statement, the if condition statement is not true, then the else condition will be executed. Let's take an example. So if we run this, you can see you can vote because the age is 23 and 23 is greater than equal to 18. But if we change it with let's say 12 value, and if we run this, then you can see that you can vote because over here if age is greater than equal to 18, not 12 not equal to greater than equal to 18, that is false. So printf you cannot vote will not be executed. Then the else statement will be executed because you can't vote will be executed because the if statement is false. Obviously the else statement will be there at the rest part of this program and the else statement will be executed. Okay, so I hope you can understand guys. So this is the condition of if else conditional statements. I hope you can understand. So now the main topic of this video is switch case statement, and just we move to the switch case statement. So let's say discussion is basically the represents resource statements in a much better way. Okay, but the most of the time we don't use switch case statements. We use if else conditional statements. Okay, so let's say there is a variable that is int day. Okay, this day number that can store an integer value. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 or something like that. So in the switch case statement, what if I let's say a variable that is integer variable that can day named as day, and it can store integer value that is 1 2 3 4, and it can store also negative integer value like that math in basic maths. So but we consider over here a positive integer. Okay, so positive integer over here we have considering. So let's say integer day has been declared, and then the switch case statements. Okay, when inside of this parenthesis under the switch keyword, there will be the variable name what we have been declared over here. Then there will be multiple cases. Let's say case number is 1, and under this case, let's say printf, what printf can be. Then let's say Monday. Okay, we are printing day 1 to 7 in a week. Okay, so and let's say copy this. Okay, copy this, and every time we are going to paste it. Okay, then also let's say कितना बार हुआ, how many times, that is let's say this, and let's format this. So change this value, that is 2, that will be 3, that will be 4, 5. Okay, and let's say case 6 will be there, and under this printf, Okay, and there will be a case. Let's say there is some Mondays and it is Tuesday. Okay, so backslash in and this parenthesis. Okay, now under this, let's say it is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's Friday. Okay, and under this is Saturday. Let's say because day 6 is Saturday over here, and the day 7 is Sunday. Okay, so let's say it is Sunday, and backslash in for new line and over here, and there will be a default case in every switch case statement. That is a default. Okay, so default case. Let's say nothing is matched. Let's say you have given a value that is greater than 7. Okay, from 1 to 7 value we have to give as an input, but you have put a value that is greater than 7, then it will not be match the condition. There will be a default requirements for that. That is no match case, no matched. Okay, that's it. So in this way, a switch case statement is declared. So here we integer variable. Okay, let's say we have declared, we have picked the day as 4 over here. Okay, so what will happen? This is the basic syntax of switch case statements. So whatever the we have declared a variable here over here integer variable that is a day number 1 to 3, and we consider a positive day number from greater than 0. Okay, that is will be greater than 0. Number will be greater than 0. Okay, so day equal to 4 over here we have assigned day with the 4 value. Okay, with the number integer number that is 4. So in switch over the parentheses, in between the parentheses there will be the variable name over here that is the day. That is an integer variable. So every cases we have to put integer. We have to take integer. Okay. So here over here case 1 is an integer, 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, 4 is an integer, 5 also, and 6, 7 in this way. Okay. We have to take an integer variable. What if I there will be a character variable? Let's say there will be a character variable, then we have to take in between the parentheses under the switch there will be a character variable. Okay, there is a variable name, and in every cases we have to take character. Okay, let's say over here that will be a b c d and in this way. Okay, so over here the integer variable in every cases we have to take, and in case 1 if case 1 match, then the printf Monday will be print. Then if case 2 matched, then Tuesday will be print. If case 3 matched, then Wednesday will be print. Then 4, if case 4 matched, then Thursday will be print. If 5 case is matched, then Friday will be print. And if 6 case is matched, then Saturday will be print. The 7 case is matched, then Sunday will be print. And in every switch case there is a default condition. Means if above all these case will not match, then the default statement will be executed. Over here no match I have put over here. Okay, so initially the program will be executed. Let's say there is a 4. Okay, let's run it and see the output. So you can see if the day is 4, then case 1 is not matched because the value is 4. 2 will not be matched, 3 will not be matched, 4 will be matched. So the print Thursday will be print. So as an input, as an output in the output screen there will be Thursday output, but you can see over here Thursday, after Thursday there is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and not matched. After this Thursday the every cases will be print as in switch case. That is very annoying. But what if I want that the Thursday is only executable because the case 4 is matched, and under this case 4 the Thursday only will be executed, not the even the statements after this matched condition. Okay, so then you can use break statements, something that is I have discussed in the previous video. That is a control statements. There will be two type of control statement. One is break and this continue. So over here to exit the switch loop, exit the switch block, that is start over here and end over here. we have to use the break statements to control the switch block. Okay, so in the every case we have to write a break statement. Okay, so over here we have to, in every case we have to write break statements. Okay, so let's write it, and let's write it, and after that we'll see the output again. So what changes could have been happening? Okay, by default there will be no need to write a break statement. Okay, as you can see over here, if you wish then you can put also a break statements under the default condition also. Okay, so now the break statement is put in every condition. Okay, if you run this now, you can see over here the Thursday is only going to be printed because the day is 4. Case one will not be matched, 2 will not be matched, 3 also will not be matched, 4 condition will be matched, so the Thursday will be printed. But after that the uh, before the output, we can see that there is multiple options. After the Thursday, that is the output screen, there is matched with the another condition also. After that the matched condition, but over here the Thursday is only going to be printed because we have used the break statements. Okay, so whenever that says that whenever the condition is matched, then break the loop. Okay, so one is not matched, one condition is not matched, two is not matched, three is not matched, four is matched over here, and the Thursday will going to be print. And after that, break the loop, break the code, break the switch block. So the control will be come over here, then the return zero will be executed, and the program execution will going to be finished. So in this way, the we can control the switch loop also. So over here, what I told you before that, switch is not nothing. There is a conditional statements like if else. Okay, if we write a conditional statement using if else keywords and if else statements, we have to use multiple if statements or multiple else statements or otherwise else if statements under the if else. Okay, and generally we do that, we avoid switch case statements. Okay, but in other hand we can also use switch case statements to do that, because in under the switch there we can write multiple cases as a default cases will be also going to be printed. So let's say the default case execution I am going to see you. So let's say there is, I am going to put value 8. Okay, that, and let's say run it. There is, you can see not matched, no matched, because is the day value is 8, 1 will not be matched, 2 will not be matched, 3 will not be matched, because the day value is 8, 4 will not be matched, 5 will not be matched, 6 also is going to be not to be matched, and 7 also is going to be not to be matched. So from 1 to 7, no condition will going to be matched, so the default condition is going to be matched. So no matched is as an output, as you can see before. Okay, so after that the control will come over here, and out of the switch block the return zero will be executed and the program execution is going to be finished. So in this way the default will be executed, you can see over here. Okay, so again let's say we have put 6 value. Okay, so after that 6 value Saturday will going to be printed. Let's say, let's see it, then you can see over here that is Saturday is going to be printed. And exactly, so I hope you can understand that. And this is a syntax. I hope you can understand the switch case statements over here. If not, then let me know in the comment section. I'll be going to be clear in the comment section or going to be covered in the next video. Okay, so in this way the switch case statement is going to be executed. I hope you can understand. If you understand, please like the video and put a comment, lovely comment in the comment section, and I'll be very pleased for that. If you don't subscribe this, then you can understood everything. So please consider subscribing. So let's meet to the next video. Till then, thank you.